you're looking for a large semi-custom built home in the Simpsonville area with over half an acre lot, in this video we're going to take a tour of the Alisa Floor Plan by Toll Brothers. If you are new to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them through purchasing their dream home and selling at the best price. And we would love to help you too. All our contact information are in the description box below. Reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. The home has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and this is just like the model home in this community. It's the same floor plan, except the model home has a ton of upgrades. So if you haven't already seen the model home for this Alisa floor plan, go back to our previous video and we'll link that to this particular video as well. So you can be able to check that out and see what this home could look like if you were to customize it and build it from scratch. A little over half acre lot. This is like 0.57 acres on this one. And as you can see, the house is not completed yet, but we do have that video of the model, which is the same floor plan as this one, okay? Cement board siding neighborhood, so no vinyl siding in this community. As you walk up, you've got the, nice size front porch here. Obviously, there's no sod yet because these are not quite done. But the model is done, so you can be able to kind of check out what this home could look like and then some. All right. All right. So one thing about these Toll Brother homes, I mean, you got these, nice entry doors, really large, tall front doors. And the fixtures, most of the fixtures are not here yet. And there are definitely plenty of windows, lots of natural light coming through here. All right, so that's the formal dining room. And you've got a flex room study here with double doors. And it does have a closet there. Floors are covered up right now, but it does have the luxury vinyl planks on the floor and throughout the main level, the main living areas. All right, so that door through there goes into the butler's pantry area, and we'll go upstairs in a moment and let's check out. Just do a quick pan over here. Nice and open, lots of windows. And if you go back and view the video of the model, you'll realize that the floor plan is just slightly modified in this area, which, one thing with Toll Brothers is, it's not fully custom, but it's somewhat custom. It's like semi-custom. So powder room here, you got a little coat closet and a small hallway here to get to the downstairs bedroom. So this would be like a good in-law suite because it has a full bathroom in it. I said some of the fixtures are still missing. And you got the, some pull-out drawers on these, and they are soft close, and soft close on the cabinet doors there. The shower tiled all the way to the ceiling. You got a little bench there and tile flooring in here and linen closet and a little small walk-in closet here for your downstairs bedroom. Okay. And obviously this is not the primary bedroom. Okay, and you got, some outlets already here. So if you wanted to hang your TV on the wall, you can do that as well. All right, so this fireplace here, you see that, beautiful tile all the way to the ceiling. Really nice focal point in this room. 2-story great room. You got some crown molding all the way up there as well. Windows to give you some natural light. Butler's pantry. And then you've got your area for your networking, more storage space here. Lots of cabinet and counter space. And obviously the appliances are not in yet. And tile backsplash. You got the farmhouse sink. Check out the outside real quick. It's nice to have all these doors with glass in them, so it lets in good natural light throughout the house. And covered patio. A little over ½ acre on the lot. And your mud room here, pantry here, walk-in pantry, so good size pantry. You can do some Costco shopping or Sam's Club. 3-car attached garage, so you got 2 on this side, automatic door opener, and then you have 1 on this side, tankless water heater, and you've got the automatic door opener as well for the 3rd car garage. And quartz countertop, and like I said, you got plenty of cabinets and counter space. Okay, let's check out the upstairs. So as you come up here, so that's give you a view of the family room there. Nice open railing, makes it a little more open. So as you come up here, you've got the luxury vinyl planks on these floors as well. And the primary bedroom, okay, got the tray ceiling, pan ceiling in here, luxury vinyl planks in here as well. And double doors to go into the bathroom. And once you watch the video of the model, you'll see how they modified this bathroom with a huge shower that basically goes the entire length of this area right here. And then the tub is in front of it. So just check that video out so you can kind of get an idea what you could do with this home. Double sinks, cabinet doors here, or the soft close drawers as well. All right, so this one just has 1 shower head. Like I said, the model has, I think, 3 shower heads or something like that. You do have a small bench here, and the water closet, linen closet, and nice size walk-in closet. Plenty of space in here. You got 4 windows in this room, so good natural light coming through here. They're still working on this house, so some of the fixtures don't really work. So, I'm glad there's plenty of natural light coming through here. All right, so that's the laundry room. Okay, and then in here you got a folding table here. You've got a laundry sink, and it does have the tile flooring. All right, so 3rd bedroom here. And this one has like a mini walk-in closet and carpet in these bedrooms, these secondary bedrooms. All right, then you got the tub shower, tiled all the way to the ceiling, and tile on the floor. And bedroom number 4. Couple of windows. You got a Another small walk-in closet here. And then this one has a ensuite bathroom, tile floors, tub shower with a little niche there, tiled all the way to the ceiling. And right here you have your linen closet. And then fifth bedroom. And that one has only one window. Still pretty bright though. Tile flooring again. Tub shower, tiled all the way to the ceiling. And a mini walk-in closet. If you are interested in this home, or if you're interested in any other Toll Brothers new construction or any other new construction homes for sale in the area, let my team and I help you. All right. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right. 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. All right, bye.